Clio app honest review watch before using. Most people think budgeting apps are just spreadsheets on your phone, but Clio adds personality, AI insights, and gamification to make money management more engaging. Clio is a financial assistant app that connects to your bank accounts to track spending, set budgets, and provide insights. One standout feature is its AI chatbot, which can answer questions like, how much did I spend on coffee this month? Or can I afford this purchase? In real time, most people get this wrong. They assume Clio is only for budgeting. The surprising truth is it can also provide savings challenges, alerts on overspending, and credit score tracking, making it a well-rounded financial tool. Its friendly, conversational tone makes managing money less intimidating. Another advantage is accessibility. Clio is available on iOS and Android with instant notifications, visual spending summaries, and personalized tips based on your habits. The app encourages financial awareness without overwhelming you with numbers. However, there are considerations. Some features, like advanced analytics for cashback rewards, require a paid subscription. Privacy-conscious users should review data sharing policies before linking accounts. In conclusion, Clio is ideal for anyone seeking an engaging, AI-powered way to manage money. Its combination of AI insights, gamified features, and user-friendly interface makes budgeting less daunting and more actionable. Subscribe for more honest fintech app reviews before taking control of your finances.